In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to divide a page in Notion. If you're looking to better organize your notes or projects, then using dividers can make a big difference in visually segmenting different sections of your content. Let's get started, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, go ahead and access your connected workspace on Notion. This is where you can manage all your wikis, documents, and projects, and it serves as a central hub for everything you'll be working on. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to start by visiting the Notion homepage. Once you're on the site, look for the Login button, which is typically located in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your workspace. Now that you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Notion home. Here you'll find a list of all your existing pages and projects. It's a great place to start rifling through the different sections of your workspace and find the page you'd like to edit or divide. Next, identify the page you want to work on. This might be a project document, a personal journal, or any other kind of page you've been working on. Click on that page to open it. You should see all the content you've previously created, neatly displayed and ready for you to make improvements. With your page open, it's time to insert a divider. To do this, simply click on a blank line or space where you want to add the divider. Then, type in the command, / followed by the word divider. That's divider. You'll immediately see a horizontal line appear on your page. This acts as a visual break and can help separate different sections, making it easier for you and anyone else viewing your content to understand it more clearly. And just like that, you've added a divider to your page. You can add as many dividers as you need. They are particularly useful for segmenting sections of text, marking transitions between topics, or simply breaking up long blocks of information for better readability. Remember, a well-organized page is much more effective in conveying its message. So there you have it. A simple yet effective way to use dividers in Notion to enhance your workspace organization. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has made managing your Notion pages a little easier. If you have questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more Notion tips and tricks. Happy organizing!